USB charging 3 USB charging ports, 3. 4A, 17W, and cable management notches to hold up to 6 feet of USB cable. Compatibility for smartphones, tablets, e-readers, mobile devices and more. High-powered, UltraCharge technology provides rapid charging up to 40% faster than traditional USB chargers. Convenient, foldable plug for easy storage and travel. Peace of mind. Listed with a limited lifetime replacement plan. For peace of mind, this product is backed by the highest industry standards of safety and performance. Top reviews from the United States. Functional and useful charger. We bought one of these chargers and had to buy another. The reason is, my kids loved it and were always stealing it and moving it to other outlets for their own personal use. It's a nice shape and easy to use. I travel with it as well because you can wrap the cords neatly around the perimeter. This is a super fast charger. I now own 3 of these chargers, and they're indispensable around home and on travel. They charge our devices fast, and they're well made. The folding wall plug prongs make it easy to pack. I haven't used the cord wrapping feature, but it would be useful to some.